Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing a recipe with you of crispy fried chicken. For this I have taken 1 kg of 1 kg chicken, half cup of yogurt, 1 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, red chili 1.5 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. First of all, I am going to add yogurt in a bowl, and then I am going to add turmeric. Turmeric I am adding to just give it a good color. Red chili powder, salt to taste, and garam masala, and 1 lemon. You can add it like this. Lemon juice, 1 lemon is enough. If you want to make it more taste, if you like more lemon, then you can add. I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to add chicken into it. To mix it, and I am going to marinate this for about 2 to 3 hours. Then I will tell you what I will go do with this next. Okay viewers, now I am taking this chicken and I marinated this chicken for about 2 to 3 hours. You will do the same. If you have much time, then you can marinate it for about 5 to 6 hours. Now I am taking this chicken. I gave this cuts also, I forgot to tell you. Now I am going to dip them in this fully. I am going to coat this with this flour. This flour is simple. I have not put anything in this flour. This is simple one. After doing this, what I am going to do is I am going to put this in water for about 1 minute. Then I will take this out, and then again I will coat this with flour like this. Now you can see the crumbs in it. This will become very crispy. Fully coat this with both the hands. Now you can see the crumbs. I think you can see these crumbs, and now I will do the same procedure with rest of the chicken. Take this one piece, coat this with flour, fully coat this, and then take this out, put this in water like this, take it out, and then again in flour. Like this. See how you can feel the crunch in this. Let me finish all of this. Okay viewers, as you can see, the oil is heated up now, and now I will do the medium flame, and then I am going to add this chicken in this like this. I will add 3 to 4 pieces in this and let me cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes in medium flame. Right. This much pieces are enough. Let me add one more, 1 to 2 more pieces. Okay, now it's fine. Let me cook them. One side will take 4 to 5 minutes, and another side will take 4 to 5 minutes in medium flame, so the chicken gets fully cooked from inside. Okay viewers, as you can see, the chicken is fully cooked. It take around 8 to 10 to 12 minutes it took. So now it is fully cooked. I am going to take this out from oil. Okay viewers, now I have cooked half of the chicken, then half of the chicken I will cook the another shift. So if you like my video, then like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.